For more trading tips and information, be sure to visit youronlinemoneymaker.com. Hey, just a reminder, here at Moneymaker, we are not licensed or registered, so all these videos are for educational purposes only. Hey everybody, Jerome here from Moneymaker. It's Sunday, September 20th, 2020. I want to take a quick minute and review last week's potential trades for the week of September 14th through the 18th. We'll start off over here on the British pound. It's actually still in the middle of the trade, trying to hit that target of 131. And the reason why there's probably not as many trades, I was focusing a little bit more on 4-hour charts. When you do 4 hours, there's not going to be as many trades, but I want to show you again, my indicator works on every time frame. Whether you day trade quickly with an hour, 30-minute time frame, or you're a longer term trader, 4 hours daily, and all that works as well. But so quick picture, let's look at, I believe this is the pound. Yeah, British pound. I'm on the 4-hour chart. You can see when the lines crossed over, the trade would have been to get in over here. You know, once you closed that candle above the white line. Honestly, we were shooting for the blue, for the aqua target. And we haven't hit that yet. We're going to watch to see if this initial candle, Sunday afternoon, Sunday evening, Central Time, and if this first candle, any candle closes below this purple line, magenta line, I believe that's the 200-day average, we'll get out. We got it. The trade would have got in, I think it was 128. Yeah, it was 128. Even if you get out below that, you're not going to be all the way down, because here's 128.37. You're not going to be all the way down. You're not going to lose. You're not going to make as much as you could have. Plus, we're looking to see if this crosses down. If it does, again, another signal, get out, confluence. If it closes below the purple, get out. These cross below, get out. You made a little money, didn't hit as much as you wanted to initially, but better some than none or loss. And it may continue higher, but that's education. That's how you trade. And so we'll watch that as the week starts. But we will look at a couple of trades that were winners. On the gasoline, they call it RBob gas, 110, 113 on the 4-hour. Would have been a nice trade, potential $1,200. I'm going to go to that chart here on my 4-hour RBob gas. Now, what'll be interesting here is that it's gone much higher, as you can see. This was the target. Let's see, this is about the 113. So it was like we got in here, because RBob trades for a good amount. Takes quite a bit of an account to trade RBob gas. But if you got, you know, $20,000 in your account, you can trade this and you can see the potential of profit. So again, same thing, get in above this, close above that white line with a candle. It did come back some, but the target was right here at the magenta, and we hit that target for the, $1,260 in 2 days. Who's complaining? I'm not. But again, we got out at 113, but here's a part of trading that you'll follow as you grow. We use the 1-hour targets for entries. If the 4-hour is confluent and this indicator just keeps going and those lines don't cross, ride the wave. Look how much farther. I'll tell you what, I'll give you a good guesstimate. This is about 113 where you got down. Look how much farther it went up the rest of the week. I mean, this is 121. You made 3 cents. You made 1,200. It went up another, we'll say 7 to 120. We'll say 8. It doesn't matter. That could have been a $10,000 trade real easily in a matter of days. So here again, power of the indicator. Entries on the 1-hour. We had divergence here. This is why I was watching this. The candles came lower, the indicator went higher. That's called divergence. When you have that, you start looking. As soon as it got up here, I was going, oh, that's a good trade. You're fishing. This is where you go try to get in. You see what happens. This is how trading is. So I wanted to show you that, and that was a good trade. It worked out well. The other one real quick is wheat. We did do it on the 1-hour. It took 1 day, made a little money. Grains don't trade for as much as like crude and gold and other products, the Dow Jones, the S&P. But wheat, grains are a good genre to trade for if you have a small account. I talk about this a lot. You can have a large account, you can have a small account. It doesn't matter. But grains are one of those you can trade for $1, $1.25 a tick with a micro account with $1,500 in your account. So let's go look at this 1 hour. Okay, we'll flip over to the 1 hour. I'll go find the wheat and we'll study that. Here again, this is the 1 hour. You got in here. The wheat's another one that went way on up. We hit our target, but you can see how much higher it went. I guess if we'd have flipped to the 4 hour, maybe we would have saw that. Well, I don't know. It really took off after it went right through this. We could have, because again, here again, even though this doesn't line up that well, your entry's the 1 hour. Look at this, ride that. Look how much farther. That's probably even going to go a little higher. That's a rocket, man. That'd have been a lot more money than the 1 hour frame, which is fine. Again, just teaching you how to hit singles and doubles in baseball, if you will. So those are the only real two trades that happened that got closed out for the week. Again, the British pound, we'll be watching it closely Sunday afternoon, Monday early in the week, okay? The other thing I just want to show you real quick is this is your onlinemoneymaker.com website. I don't have all of it in there because with the video it crops it, but what I wanted to show you is I'm not going to do a lot here. The different services and everything we offer. This members only is something new for the paying members. You'll see the videos because I'll go do a video about upcoming trades for this following week, what to look for, what looks like by the indicator is going to be could be a potential trade. The other thing I want to show you real quick is down at the bottom of the page, any page, sign up for the emails and videos. Just name your email, give me a quick message. I mean, basically I send, you don't have to check all this unless you want. I'm basically sending videos in that. But if you have a question, don't hesitate to ask. Again, it's just my thought, my feedback. If it helps you, great. But take it for what it is. Anyway, real quick, look at there. Nice results in August. September is getting close to being over, and we'll see how that goes. But I just wanted to quickly review last week's trades. I hope you have a good week, and good luck trading. We'll see you on the next video.